You guys have no idea how crypto is going to change the world we live in right now. Crypto is going to be massively transforming 4 industries according to Tim Draper. So what are these 4 industries? They are finance, insurance, government, and healthcare. He thinks that Bitcoin price will increase as Bitcoin radically changes those various elements of our society. And look, these massive options are not to be taken lightly. And when these things do happen, then we're going to see some absolute mooning on the cryptocurrency market. Not to mention that only $1.7 trillion of the world's economy is in the crypto market cap in its entirety. So look, there's so much room for growth. If you're in the crypto space right now, I am so excited for you. And you know what? Just continue to have that long-term focus and just continue to arm yourselves with the information so that you are across the future of cryptocurrency and the impact that it will have in this beautiful world that we live in right now. So let's continue to look down the line. Bitcoin's impact on finance will reduce corporate expenses on accounting and legal help. We've got a combination of technologies that are going to transform not only just banking, but finance. I can imagine a time where I raise a fund just in Bitcoin. How exciting. Invest it all in Bitcoin. Have the companies pay their employees and suppliers all in Bitcoin. Wow. Have that all be walled garden where taxes are taken out in Bitcoin, and it requires no friction. It requires no accounting, no auditing, no bookkeeping, no legal. It's all done in its perfect walled garden because the blockchain keeps perfect records. And you know what? That is so true. Blockchain has that functionality to create a chain of information that could be reviewed at once. Okay, so then how is insurance going to be changed? In fact, I could imagine an insurance company that sends you a check before you issue a claim because the surveillance has recognized that your house has been burnt down already, or that you've got cancer, or that something horrible has happened. So there's going to be less room for fraud, and it's going to be a lot clearer exchange of information, and you don't have to make a case every time there is a claim. And let's talk about government. What is government but a bunch of insurance companies put together? Kind of true. The government can also be much more streamlined. All these insurance programs, the healthcare insurance, workers' comp insurance, and unemployment insurance, and welfare and pensions, social security, they're all insurance programs. Absolutely true. You can set those up on a smart contract with Bitcoin, and they're completely fair and don't have people getting in the way, and those people can go be productive on other things. That sounds like a disruption and a half to me. And what about healthcare? Healthcare is going through a major transformation. Some of that is tied to putting your healthcare records on the blockchain, but a lot of it is all going to go digital. You can do your therapeutics and your diagnosis all in digital form. How exciting. And you know, we see stuff like that happen with VeChain, which is very, very exciting. So look, there are tangible ways that our world is going to change because of cryptocurrency. Make sure you stay tuned. And you know what? Congratulations on being an early adopter, because that means you got a lot to benefit for investing into these technologies in the long run. So make sure you keep that long term in mind and continue to hold. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Make sure you go subscribe to my YouTube. If you haven't done so, go check out my channels as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.